Hi, and welcome to this quick demo video of using ChatGPT to actually write code for the Unity3D engine. So let's get started. I'm going to ask it to write me an Unity script in C# that rotates an object around its center. All right, let's go. Let's see. Come on, ChatGPT. Here's an example written in C#. All right, that looks good. Rotation speed, yep, that's good. So it has a public field here, which in Unity will actually show up in the editor, so you can control it from outside. Then it does the correct transformation around the up vector with the rotation speed of delta time. Looks good. Alrighty, so let's copy the class name and get over to Unity. And so let's create the this C# script. Wow, what's going on today? All right, so we have the C# script here. Let's open it in Visual Studio. Give it a second. It just compiles it for a sec. In the meantime, we can actually already copy the whole code here. So let's copy the whole code over here and go back to VS. There we go. Reload the scene. So this is the default, basically, that Unity creates. Let's remove all of that stuff and paste in our code. Okay, got everything. Save it. Let's go back to Unity. There we go. It will compile it again. Just give it a second. Now we gotta add, of course, our 3D object. I'm just going to add a cube real quick here. You see the cube here. And then we're attaching our script. Just drag and drop on the cube. There we go. Press play. Let's see if it works. All right, it rotates. And we can even control this public field here, the variable basically. And look at this, it rotates faster. So that's pretty impressive, right? And again, we just told ChatGPT, write me a Unity C# script that rotates an object around the center, and it got perfect code. That's really, really impressive. Well, that's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching. Might be back with another ChatGPT demo video soon. All right, take care and don't abuse the AI. Bye-bye.